Hi all, greetings. I'm Mrs. S. Matangi, Assistant Professor, Department of Home Science. This session is about elements of design. In this module, let's have an overview on elements of design. In the elements of design, we will discuss the colors and how the colors will helpful for creating the wall hanging attractive. Elements of design. Elements of design are the fundamental aspects of any visual design and basic unit of a visual image, which includes line, form, space, texture, shape, color, and value. Human tends to get attracted by colors. Hence, suitable selection of colors to be made in order to prepare any art object. Combination of various colors form the significant factors in making the wall hangings much more attractive. This session will discuss each of the colors, color harmonies, and how they are created. Let's take a look at the colors in detail. Classification of colors. Classification of colors are primary, secondary, and intermediate or tertiary colors. Primary colors red, yellow, blue are called the three primary colors because they are the elements in the use of pigment. They are the only hue in pigment that cannot be obtained by mixing of other hues. Secondary colors. When two primary colors are mixed together in equal amount, a different hue will result. This new hue is called the secondary colors. For example, yellow, red, blue are the primary colors. We mix the two primary colors. Blue plus yellow gives green color. Yellow plus red gives orange color. Red plus blue gives the violet colors. These are the secondary colors. Intermediate colors are tertiary color. When a primary and a secondary colors are mixed together, the resultant is an intermediate or tertiary colors. In appearance, the intermediate color is halfway between the two colors. There are six of these intermediate colors. There are six of these intermediate colors. They are yellow is the primary color plus green is the secondary color that gives the intermediate color, that is yellow green. Yellow plus orange gives yellow orange. Blue plus green gives blue green. Blue plus violet gives blue violet. Red plus violet gives red violet. Red plus orange gives red orange. These are intermediate or tertiary colors. Dimensions of color. Dimensions of colors are hue, value, and intensity or chroma. Hue. Hue is the descriptive name of a color, such as red, orange, blue, or violet. Each hue represents a family of color. Hue also indicates the warmth or coolness of the color. Value. Value is the lightness or darkness of the hue by the addition of white, grey, or black color. The gray scale is the guide for modifying the value of any color. White added to the hue creates a tint. Addition of white lightness or brightness and increases the value of a color. It also increases the reflection of the light. The addition of black darkens and decreases the value, creates shades of the color, and also more of visual weight. Chroma or intensity. Chroma is the third quality or dimension of color, which indicates the brightness or dullness of the color. It refers to the degree of color intensity, strength, saturation, or purity of a color. The purity of color refers to its freedom from white, black, or gray color. Monochromatic colors. A color in which the artist uses only one hue plus shades and tint of that color. Tint. Tint adding the white to the color. A lighter value of the color. If we add white to a particular hue, it is called tint. Color value will be increased. Next, shade. A darker value of a color. When we adding the black to the any color, if we add black to the any particular color, it is called shades. Color value will be decreased. Tones. Adding the gray to the color. This is the monochromatic colors. Analogous colors. Analogous colors are at least three colors that sit side by side on a color wheel and have one common hue. Hue means color. Yes. Example, yellow, yellow orange, and orange. An analogous color cannot have two primary colors in its scheme because the primary colors have nothing in common. The color scheme creates a sense of harmony and it is similar in appearance because the color have a common yellow hue. Yellow, yellow orange, orange, red orange. Another example for analogous colors are green, green, blue and blue violet. These are analogous colors. Complementary colors. Complementary colors are colors that are opposite to each other on the color wheel. That is complementary colors. You just imagine the color wheel as a clock. Pick the colors directly opposite that numbers and you will have your complementary colors. A complement absorbs all the light waves the other colors reflect. Complementary colors are strongest and contrast to the colors. For example, we choose yellow means complementary color is violet. If we choose green, complementary color is red. That is double complementary colors. Two colors plus two colors directly across from them on the color wheel. That is double complementary colors. Two pair of complementary colors, the pair's distance apart will affect the contrast of the color. Example of double complementary colors are violet. Violet complement is yellow. Then another red violet. Red violet complement is yellow green. This is the example for double complementary colors. Split complementary colors. Split complementary colors are three colors that are combined by one hue plus the hue on each side of its complement. For example, choose the color yellow. Take yellow's complement, that is violet, and take the hues on each side of the complement, that is yellow violet and blue violet, but not the complement, and combine with the yellow. Another example for split complementary colors are red orange. Red orange complement is blue green. We take hue on each side of the complement, that is green and blue. So split complementary colors are red orange, blue and green. Warm and cool colors. Warm colors. Warm colors like red, yellow and orange are traditionally associated with warm or hot things like the shining sun, a glowing sunset, or a roaring fire. These colors tend to advance towards the viewers. Cool colors. Cool colors are cold colors. If we can see these kinds of colors in objects that are naturally cold, green trees, blue water and blue sky, violet clouds on a snowy day. Cold colors tend to recede into the background to create a calm, quiet, and moody effect. That is warm and cool colors. In this module 7, I explained the elements of design, which helps you to understand the concept of colors thoroughly. In the next module, I will give a demo on glass painting. Thank you for active listening.